Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download and install Node.js on Windows operating system. Also, we will do verification by using command from PowerShell as well as Node.js application. So let's start with video. First, we have to open web browser. So I will open Google Chrome. Within that, type Node.js download. Now see, it is showing official website to download Node.js. So just right click on it and open this link. Now see, it is showing different options. It is showing package manager, pre-built installer, pre-built binary, and source code. So we want pre-built installer. Again, within that, we want support, that is a LTS, that is long time support. Also, it is providing facility of current support. So I want long time support. So just select it. Again, version of Node.js, I want it for Windows operating system. So I will select this, and I want it for 64-bit operating system. So select x64. After this, we have to download Node.js. Now see, this Node.js includes NPM. Click on this button, download Node.js. Now download file is downloaded. It is MSI file. So just double click on it. Installation started. Now it is showing welcome page. So just click on next button. Again, it is showing license and agreement. So just check this. I accept it agreement and click on next button. After this, it is showing path where it will get installed. So it is in C drive program files folder. So I want to keep it as it is. If you want, you can change it. Just click on next button. Now see, it is showing different icons in a tree. If you want, you can change this feature, but I want to keep it as it is. So just click on next button. Again, see, it is showing message automatically install necessary tools. So this chocolatey is required. So just click on this or check this option and click on next button. Now see, it is showing message it is ready to install Node.js. Just click on install button. It will start with the installation. Now installation is in progress. Now it is showing message completed the Node.js setup wizard. Node.js has been successfully installed. So just click on finish button. Okay. Still it is installing some modules. So just we want to press any key to continue. So I will press enter button. Again, it is showing message to press any key, continue. Now installation is completed. We'll do verification whether Node.js is installed or not. Open command prompt. You can type cmd. So that command prompt will get open. Space hyphen version. It is showing version available, that is 20.13.1. Again, another way to check the version, that is you can type node space hyphen v and just press the enter. Will show the version. Now we want to shift console towards the node application. So just type node and press the enter button. Now see, it is showing message welcome to Node.js. Yes, right now we are in Node.js application. So we'll print here here we'll print just simple message console.log. Then here I will type a string, welcome to software technology and parameters. So just press the enter button. It is showing the message that is welcome to ST. Means Node.js is working. So again, we'll check from PowerShell. So from search box, again select the Windows PowerShell. Again, same procedure. To see the version, either you can type node space hyphen hyphen version. So it will show the version available of node. Again, type node space hyphen v. From this, any command you can type. No need to type both the commands. Just press enter. It is showing version available. Now we want to shift our control towards the node application. So type the command node and just press the enter button. Again, in a round bracket, welcome to ST. Again, press enter button. Now it is showing message welcome to ST. So by using Windows PowerShell as well as by using command prompt, we have checked whether Node.js is properly installed or not. Again, you can choose another way also. So you can just open the Node.js application. So again, in search box, type Node.js. Okay, it is showing me Node.js. So just double click on it. Again, right now, see, we are on Node.js application itself. So no need to check version. So just we'll give the message that is console.log welcome to ST. Just press the enter. It is showing message welcome to ST. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.